Hello, I'm Jacob, Technical Support Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Series 3100D, 3100MP, and 3200G pressure transmitters. Today I'll be showing you how to rearrange your transmitter, and in this demonstration I will be rearranging the 3100D. To start off, we'll need to remove the top cover to access the 0 and span buttons. In order to do this, loosen the right screw of the nameplate and slide the nameplate away to reveal the 0 and the span buttons. To begin, we need to access the menu. Press and hold the 0 and span buttons simultaneously until menu appears. Once the buttons are released, one trim will be displayed, which is the first of 3 submenus. To cycle through the submenus, simply press the 0 button. Please note, you may need to press the button for up to 2 seconds or until the menu changes. The following menus will be 2 setup and 3 LCD. For this demonstration, we will only be using the setup menu. Once you're on setup, press the span button to enter the setup menu. 21 unit will be displayed, and this is where you can change the engineering units if needed. We are going to leave this at the default, which is inches of water column. Move to the next parameter by pressing the 0 button, where 22 U-RNG will be displayed. This stands for upper range and will represent the 20 milliamp signal. From here, press the span button and SEL INC will display. This stands for Select Increment, which will allow us to change the value based on a multiplier instead of 1 unit at a time if we choose. To cycle through, press the 0 button and press span to select the desired increment. In this case, we're going to leave it at 10. After the increment is selected, you will see the upper range, in this case 30, and value underneath. You can increase the value with the 0 button and decrease the value with the span button. Once the desired upper range and span value is displayed, press the 0 and span buttons simultaneously to back out to select increment. In this case, we're going to leave it at 20. By pressing the 0 and span buttons a second time, you will save the upper range, and done will be displayed, and you will be redirected to the main menu. To set the lower range, we will use the same steps as we did for the upper range. Press and hold the 0 and span buttons simultaneously until menu is displayed. Once the buttons are released, one trim will be displayed. Press the 0 button to move to the setup menu. Then we'll press the span button to enter the setup menu. This time, we're going to press the 0 button until we get to 23 L-RNG, which stands for lower range and will represent the 4 milliamp signal. We will then press the span to access the Select Increments menu. Once the increment is selected, we will set the lower range. In this case, we are going to set it to -10. Please note you cannot exceed the calibrated span, which in this case is 30 inches of water column. Once the desired lower value is selected, press the 0 and span buttons to back out to the Select Increments menu, and then press them both a second time to save. Once done is displayed and the unit returns to the main menu, your 3100D will be rearranged and ready to use. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.